What if a single video could get you thousands of views overnight without showing your face? Right now, a brand new type of content is absolutely exploding across the internet. They're called object talking videos, and creators who jumped on this early are growing their channels fast. We're talking massive views, rapid follower growth, and a trend that is still in its very early stages. That means one thing: you are early. And being early, that is everything. The competition is low, the audience is hungry for this content, and in this tutorial, I am going to walk you through the exact step-by-step method to create these videos yourself, even if you have never made a single video before. So if you have been waiting for the right moment to start your content journey, this is it. Stay with me till the end, because every step matters. Let's get into it. Step 1. Prompt generation. The most important step. Don't skip this. All right, step 1. And I want you to pay extra attention here because this is genuinely the most critical part of the entire process. Prompt generation. Here's the simple truth. If your prompt is strong, your output will be high quality. If your prompt is weak, your video will look average. It really is that simple. Now, you could spend time learning how to craft perfect prompts for ChatGPT, and eventually you should, but to make things easy right now, I've already built a ready-made chat setup just for you. The link is right there in the description below. Go ahead and open it. Now, look at the template prompt I've created inside that chat. Read it carefully. You may slightly tweak it if needed to match your specific topic, but in most cases, it works perfectly as it is. Here's what you do next. Open the chat link from the description. Type in your topic, for example, let's say golgape. Hit send. And just like that, ChatGPT will generate everything you need: an image prompt, a video visual prompt, a ready-to-use dialogue for your character, and related content ideas for future videos. One quick note: if ChatGPT asks which language you prefer, just select English or Hindi, whichever you're more comfortable with. Simple, right? Let's move on. Step 2. Generate your image. Bring your object to life visually. Now that you have your prompt ready, it is time to generate your image. Open your browser and go to Google Whisk, then select Try Flow. Follow these steps exactly. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Whisk Flow. Click Create Images, select the Pro model for best quality, choose your preferred image size, hit Generate. Within just a few seconds, your high-quality AI-generated image will be right there on your screen. Go ahead and download it once it's ready. That image is the face of your talking object, so make sure you're happy with how it looks before moving forward. Step 3. Convert your image into a video. This is where the magic happens. Okay, this is the step everyone loves. This is where your still image comes alive. We're going to convert your image into an animated video, and we're doing it all right inside Whisk Flow, so no need to switch tools. Here's the process. Find the image you just created, click the 3-dot menu on your image, select Add to Prompt. Now switch the option from image to video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your animation prompt. Paste it below the image in the chat bar. Also include the dialogue your object will speak. Then simply hit Generate and let the AI work its magic. Once your video clip is ready, download it. Now, here's a key thing. You will need multiple video clips for your final video, so repeat this exact process, one clip at a time, until all your scenes are ready. Take your time here. Each clip adds to the story. Step 4. Assemble your video in Canva. Put it all together like a pro. Here's what to do. Open Canva and select Video. Set your canvas size to 1920 x 1080. That's your standard landscape format. On the left sidebar, click Upload and import all your video clips. Now drag and drop each clip into the timeline in the correct sequence. Hit play and review the full video to make sure the flow and pacing feel right. One pro tip moment. Just add some background music to give the video that extra polish. Just keep the music volume between 10 to 15%, low enough to not overpower the dialogue, but present enough to make the video feel alive. Once you're satisfied with the edit, your AI talking video is essentially complete. Step 5. Download your final video. Your video is ready for the world. This part is quick. In Canva, click the download icon in the top right corner. Select MP4 format, click Download. Canva will process and export your video in high quality, automatically. That's it. You now have a professional-looking, AI-generated, viral-ready video sitting on your device.
Wait, what? You blame me for weight gain? Seriously? I'm just a tiny crispy snack. But what if I told you the truth? You're blaming the wrong guy here. You eat 10 of me in one go, then blame me for your calories. It's not me. It's your portion control and that extra sweet water overload. Wow, look at me now. From street food to the sleekest ride in the gym. Let's get moving. Now you enjoy me without guilt. No bloating, no regret, just flavor. Your cravings stay happy and controlled. That's how snacks should feel, right? So next time, don't blame me blindly. Eat smart, enjoy fully, stay balanced. And yes, I'm still your favorite snack. Save this.
Step 6. Scale up and create more videos. One video is a start. Multiple videos is a strategy. Here's the truth about growing on any platform. Consistency beats perfection every time. So what I want you to do next is repeat this entire process and create 3 to 4 videos using different topics. Once you have them ready, open any video editing software you prefer, import all your videos, add simple fade in and fade out transitions between clips, and just like that, your final viral-ready series is complete and ready to upload. Bonus tip: custom dialogue. Make it truly yours. Before I wrap up, one more thing that can really set your videos apart. When it comes to dialogue, you have 2 options. Use the default dialogue ChatGPT already generated for you. It works well straight out of the box. Or write your own custom dialogue to add a more personal, unique touch to your content. My recommendation: start with the ChatGPT version, get comfortable with the process, then start personalizing as you go. That's how you develop your own style. Target words: closing and call to action. All right, that is the complete process, and as you can see, it is not complicated at all. You just need to follow the right method one step at a time. Here's your simple action plan from here. Create your videos, upload consistently, watch your followers grow, and start earning from your content. If you run into any issues while creating your videos, drop a comment below and I will personally help you get it sorted. This community is here to grow together. And hey, if this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and share this video with someone who needs to see this opportunity. The trend is fresh, the time is now. Go build something great. See you in the next one.